One of the questions that I get from parents is the issue of the right to privacy in school for their children. Does the school have the right to search their child's person, their locker, their bag without permission? The short answer to that question in many cases is that constitutional rights do not apply in a school situation. But there are some exceptions. Now, in the case of a private school, students have few, if any, rights to privacy because it's a private institution in which the school sets all the procedures. And prior to going to that school, you've agreed by either a written agreement or by verbal authorization to allow your child to go there and to fall under those procedures and guidelines. In a public school, school officials and law enforcement do have a right to search your child's locker and items stored inside school property. There are constitutional exceptions to items that your child takes to a public school. For instance, his backpack or items that he stores in his clothing. Many of the concepts that we see in law enforcement, however, also apply in a public school. For instance, the plain view doctrine. If your child walks into school and it's very obvious that he or she has something illegal, a school official does have a right to call security or law enforcement to stop your child, search your child, and even arrest your child. If your child is charged with a crime that derives from a situation that started at school, it's very important that your attorney explore these concepts.